I'm start the vlog big and bright and early now. Them sister Jamaica me there.
Yeah, everything.
Oh guys, I'm going to the bank. Wait, them. I'm start the vlog in a minute. No, bank.
This is bank line.
So stand up here, sir. So the bank line empty, beautiful. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Jada and I'm currently on the island. As you guys can see, I am in ep3. Let me just show you guys quickly. You guys on my real estate page would know that I actually have an investment property in Jamaica. So now that I'm on the island, I'm just spending the time to actually make sure that my housekeeping is up to par. And I told you guys in my last vlog that I'm struggling to get insurance for the property because of my previous surgeries that I had to undergo in the last 2 years. What happened was that on Monday we went to Pines in Portmore and we spoke to our insurance specialist there, and he actually mentioned that the property worth too much, which is actually above what he manages. So he's putting me with the direct property with the insurance unit directly. I've been calling them since Monday, Tuesday, now it's Wednesday, still call them today and no luck. So now I just thought to come into the branch myself to just get it done. It's very sad that when you're in Jamaica, like the institutions, the phone line don't pick up and everyone is very complacent about it, and you physically have to go in branch to actually get assistance. It frustrates me. So yeah, I thought I'd make a vlog to let you guys see what's happening. Guys, my so updates on what happened at JN. We just deal with some other errands at passport office. But you know I can't record because of people's personal business. We talk to them later. Hey everybody, it's me checking in again. Sorry for the lighting. I think my camera it's a bit off these days. I don't know what's happening, but yeah, just ignore the fact. So I'm just giving you guys updates on what's happening with the property now. So basically I'm still trying to get the life insurance. I went to the head branch that the Papines team advised me to go to, and to my surprise they don't actually do the life insurance there. They do it at New Kingston. So the agent that they have at ep3, she does life insurance but she's not in office. So we rang her, asked if she could come just to sort it out for me because I'm an overseas client and you know time I run up on me now. So the lady kindly agreed she's gonna come in just to help me do it. So I have 2 hours to wait. It's now 11 o'clock on the island. So I'm here with a friend and we're gonna kill the 2 hours. I'm not sure doing what yet. We have a few suggestions. You want to tell them a suggestion or you act like in a day? So we have Banos suggestion, we have a bar, and we have what else? My mother said we can go one Chinese place on this mall. You guys can see the mall behind me. On this mall. So we're gonna kill those 2 hours. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be vlogging, but I'll let you guys know as time progresses. But just bear with me with the screen for this video until I get it right. This is the outfit, nothing new. You guys know this dress, Zara dress, one of my favorite dresses. It fits so nice, structure, all your body, beautiful. Bag, slippers, simple. 2 little hoop earring, and that's it. So yeah, that's the update. I'll talk to you guys when I'm at JN, or if I'm in the mood, I'll talk to you guys when I'm at the restaurant. Guys, I'm just about to get Uber and I'm currently in Jamaica and it is working. Look, choose your ride. We're going to Banos so that you guys know how it goes, if it actually works. Let's see, confirm pickup. Yeah, big up my country. Every time confirm again. Let me see if it actually works. Give God thanks. Give God thanks if my Uber comes. Oh, connecting to a driver. 7 minutes away. 3 minutes away. This phone, look on him license plate. Say hi to my vlog. Say hi. I vlog. Alright, ready, let's go. Alright.
I see you.
We are at Elizabeth Avenue.
Got it.
We're at Woodward Creek.
Oh, yes. Oh, seen that?
Where? My expensive, but can I start it? Jamaican Uber.
Aye, this?
Red place?
Yeah.
Only red place of Uber?
I don't know. Hold on.
It said the price changing for us. This one, guys. And the fare actually cheaper, guys, for the both of us. How much is that charge me? So it's coming up to 328 to 336 Jamaican dollars for the ride. We're leaving from Tropical Plaza heading to Banos. And when you're selecting Banos, make sure you're selecting Banos at Hope Road, because multiple came up with just Banos Ice Cream and actually locates you to the closest one. That's what I did in the first instance, and the driver told me to update my location. So the Uber fare now, this will come up from a bank account?
If your card is assigned to the account,
it is.
It's gonna charge your card. If not, then you can pay cash.
So how do you know? It says Uber Cash or Uber Card?
No, that's cash.
Because mine is saying Uber Cash.
You use it outside of Jamaica?
Yes.
So it's likely that you would pretty much earn yourself Uber Cash while you're driving or you're using it overseas. Because normally Uber would give you, I guess, coupons in the States.
UK, we just paid off my bank card. They just deduct it automatically.
Right.
But this is saying Uber Cash, so I'm assuming I need to pay you cash in hand. Let me see.
Alright, at the end of the ride, it tells me how you paid.
Okay.
So you'll get a notification. It might ask you to ask the driver to show you his or her phone screen. It will do so. So I'll just show you. I'll show you what my total is at the end. You'll get to see that.
Yeah.
And it will reflect on yours.
Okay.
If you're paying via card. If you're paying via card, then I won't get a notification to say collect from you.
Okay. Okay.
Head east, then turn right.
Because they're vlogging, I'll just keep the music at nil, alright?
You're very considerate. I'm gonna stop vlogging in a minute. Come like a little vibes. You're very considerate. I really appreciate it. But I'm gonna wrap up the vlog and you can start playing.
Alright, what kind of music you guys like?
What kind of vibes are they playing?
Dancer.
There is some dancer. Let's club place. So guys, the Uber so far is working identically, literally similar to how it would overseas when I'm in the UK. The driver is very pleasant, I must say. I'm well impressed. We have air conditioning, ask for music just like they would in the UK. Same professional service. Honestly, I can't fault them. And he even advised us to update our location because he was paying attention.
Take the next right onto South Avenue.
In the UK, sometimes when you put in the wrong location, because you or the driver don't know where you're actually heading, because the country is so big, you normally end up at the wrong place and then you have to change your location. Whereas this one was a lot more apprehensive and a lot more productive. So I'm heading now. I'll probably show you guys a few bits and bobs of the journey for my overseas travelers that like to see Jamaica. My channel, Jada Talks. Jada Talks. Jaydah. Go have yourself a great time. It's life changing. No, seriously, it is.
I might have seen your vlog.
Bitch is working. That's nice. No, I'm really happy for Jamaicans for Uber, man. People can make money in between jobs and just come back to the country. Yeah, right here is fine, girl. Thank you so much. The place was mad empty though. Like, shut them not even open.
Wednesday.
What happened Wednesday? Well, Jamaica and keep on Wednesday?
Jamaica on Wednesday, the place kind of
So,
Quiet.
so here you are. So never know. So
Yeah, irritate me.
use Uber man.
Give me the detail on me. Guys, so we just made it to Devon House. Let me just give you guys a quick view of the property. the driver kindly dropped me here, and now I'm gonna give you guys my review. So hey, if you're still watching the video and you haven't liked it as yet, don't be a hater, go ahead and hit that like button. Thank you so much. It helps me out with the algorithm, and it helped me to get a bit more coins for vlogging and doing what I love. So again, I couldn't fault the Uber driver. Just know the standard is just as it would be in a first world country. The standard is just as it would be if I was to take Uber home. So I'm very grateful. The driver was very polite. The journey was safe. They didn't speed, they didn't rush. I got air conditioning, I got music, and the fee, the first ride that I did was actually paid for by Uber. I don't know if that's the island-wide thing that's going on now, where you actually get free money to actually ride with them. But as the driver was explaining, there is something called Uber Cash, which essentially is like a coupon or like a discount code that you can get if you were overseas. Sorry, I'm so gassy today. So it's the same thing that they have on the island. You do get Uber Cash, so that's what we use. That's what I used. And just to compare prices for you guys to understand, so it would actually charge me $400 or at least $500 if I was to take the taxi from Papine, and with Uber they actually charge me 381 Jamaican dollars. So it's slightly cheaper than actually taking a local taxi, and it's definitely cheaper than chartering a taxi to specifically take you from one destination to the next. Just to reiterate the fact, we're actually coming from Tropical Plaza and now we're at the Banos. Oh, this is where Steakhouse is. Oh my god. This is where West Club. Okay, this is a nice little chill spot too. When me I eat coffee, ice cream, them have coffee. I feel like that would have probably taste good enough in an ice cream. I don't know why, but it might have a vibe. You think? Your skin is nice on the camera though. Thank you so much. Yes, this is the ice cream. How much you coming to drive home? Thank you, driver. So guys, we're at the other one. So we just walk into the other one now. It's near the British Commission. Guys, me get insurance. Thank you, Jesus. I feel like I can breathe again. All I want me to worry about, me never need to worry about people. The devil is a liar. Anxiety is a liar. But go to get insurance now. Go outside. Go outside. Young people, get life insurance. Get life insurance. It will save you a whole lot in the future. You can't say Jada never told you no. Get life insurance. Whether you have a property or if you don't have a property, get life insurance. Anyways guys, I'm ready to close with this vlog. Got me happy as ever. So this is finally under control. I have one small more thing for the JN, and I have one more extra business idea that I may tackle before I go back home, but not today. Today I'm gonna eat some crab. I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my evening. Probably I'll go one night beach just because. Yeah, that type of vibe. So I'll see you guys when I see you guys.
fish, one big fish.
Probably 2 small ones.
Much fish small one then? I call that one.
This?
Yeah, how much is that?
About 800.
Oh, 800.
Yeah, we can get 2 small ones.